What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, I'm not too sure what we're going to get into, but I will be going over the car as well as a couple future plans for the channel, just for some upcoming videos and segments that we're going to do. But before we do that, let's go ahead and jump into a cold start. Alright, a lot of the cold starts I've been doing lately, I haven't been down here just because it's usually been pretty hot, and I just kind of wanted to get the car cooled down, but down here for this one. Let's go ahead and jump in. And this is a 2.5. I think it still sells pretty good. Yeah, it quiets down a little bit, but overall I'm still a big fan of the exhaust. Had it for a few months now. Definitely let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. So I wanted to show how the cabling was set up for this dash cam. My wife ran them for me. It goes up around, comes down here, goes down on this side, and let's see, let me open the door here. Comes down, comes out here, and it's in here, and it's plugged in right there. And on this side, it goes all the way through the back. I actually did the front part, but it's in this molding, comes all the way back, goes back through there, it comes out up there for right there. So did a pretty good job. Me personally, I'm usually pretty lazy when it comes to the trim. I really did not care to run those cables, but she did a pretty good job and definitely appreciate it. She also set it up in her car as well, ran the cables. I think with her car it was a little easier because she had a few pieces down here to where it could, actually hers had a trim up here. It runs across here that you couldn't see, and then comes down, just comes out this side. But just a different setup because she has the cruise. But alright, so as far as the plan, what I had planned or would like to do is to start featuring some of the homies' cars. Not just all the homies who have Ultimas, definitely get those in there, but I have homies with all different types of builds and everything, and I would like to start featuring them. So let me know if you guys will be interested in seeing that, as well as if you like your car featured. What I'm thinking about doing, instead of doing like a normal traditional review where I'm driving the car and I'm just talking about the car, I would prefer to have it where the person who drives the car the most, who knows the car the most, be the one talking about the car. But depending on if they're comfortable in front of the camera or not, I can kind of relay some stuff for them. Some people just don't want to be featured, which would be cool, but they want their car featured. So we'll figure it out. But for the most part, I would like to have the focus be on the driver, how they got into the scene, what they've got done to the car, and their goals and plans for what they have coming up as well, for that car and future car as well. That's one thing I'm planning on doing. I would like to do that here pretty soon. So a few guys, I already have a few people in mind on who to kind of hit up. But if you guys are interested, like I said, throw it in the comment section. Let me know if you're interested in seeing it or being in it. Definitely let me know that. Also, I got a lot of feedback on my stage videos where I go over all the mods and everything that's on the car. Stage 1 did pretty decent. Stage 2 did really well. Stage 2 on the 2013 Ultima, as well as the Stage 2 on this 2017 Ultima, both did really well. So I'm thinking about, I'm definitely going to do it. I'm going to do a Stage 3. I wanted to do the side skirts and rear diffuser installed before I did that. I'm not sure if I'm still going to do that. I don't have any side skirts yet, but I do have the rear diffuser already. I just need to just install it. So, but most likely I'll probably just do the stage that where it's at right now, and then Stage 4 will be with the side skirts, diffuser, and possibly new wheels and maybe different suspension setup. I don't know yet, but that's in the future. So we'll definitely see about that, but definitely stay tuned for that. Also, if you guys are interested in a Nissan Infinity meet and for Central Florida, definitely know that as well. I have quite a few people already hit me up about it. So it was originally going to be just an Ultima meet, but I got so many homies with Nissan and Infinity. Plus, I want to kind of grow that brand, the Nissan times Infinity brand. If you don't know about that one, got a couple Facebook groups. Got the Nissan times Infinity South, as well as the DMV Nissan times Infinity, as well as the Nissan times Infinity Instagram page. So definitely, links will be in the description as always. I'll throw in the Instagram one as well, so you can definitely check that page out. With that, I kind of just focus on just cool Nissan and Infinity builds that I've seen on Instagram with some high quality features. I'm trying to stick to high quality, high resolution photos for right now, just to kind of give it a better look for the page overall. But I also have a few other pages. I got my Fitted Squad Instagram as well, where I feature homies' vehicles. I'm starting that up right now. It used to be just my Ultima, but now I'm starting to just feature homies on there. So yeah, if you guys are interested in being featured, definitely hit me up on Instagram. And drop it in the comment section below, and we'll make it happen. But yeah, that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. Definitely, like I said, throw a comment below, let me know what you guys think. But yeah, I'd like to thank you all for rocking with me and sticking with me, especially after that long time where I wasn't posting anything. Needed some time off, so definitely appreciate you all for your patience. But I'm back, and we're gonna keep it going. So I'd like to thank you all once again. So please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, have a good one. Peace.